Hi everyone and welcome to our very first styling session. My name is Inge and today I'm going to show you how to make a floral arrangement for your shop, at your home or maybe as decoration. The possibilities are endless. This arrangement fits to our first theme, Be a Pastel Lover. It's a playful theme with sweet and soft color tones. So we're going to start. What do you need? First, you need an iron scissors to cut your flowers. I already did this, but it's easy to use. Then you need a base. I have this blue terracotta pot, which I painted by myself, but you can use every color you like. Then we use branch flowers, long flowers, and also to finish it off, round flowers. So, are you ready to make a floral arrangement? First, we start with the branch flowers. So, with these branch flowers, I'm going to make the base for my arrangement. This sets the form for the arrangement. And all the items I use from a new collection, Spring Summer 2021. So, this is the metallic leaf. We also have it in blue. This pink penisatum is also a really lovely new item in our collection. Also has a real touch. And I have another one and I put it next to the first one, but a little bit higher. So this is setting the height of my floral arrangement. I come to the top so you can see me better. Next we have this beautiful purple monstera leaves. And I'm going to put the first one in the front. And just as the penisatum, I'm going to put another one above this one. And a nice trick to use is to spin your floral arrangement because we also have a back to work with. So this is the pink version of the metallic leaf. And a fun fact is that all our items have iron in it, so you can fold them in any position you like. And also a tip is to put your items in the gray floral foam. And you have to stock them really good because otherwise they will fall out. So I'm going to spin my arrangement again. And I use again these purple monstera leaves. On the other side, because there I already used them. Now it's time to use the long items. And one of my favorites in the new collection is this gladiolus. It's very long, so I'm going to put it in the middle because this one is really nice to set the height of your floral arrangement. And I use a second one, but I'm going to try to put it a little bit lower than the first one. Then we have this really nice blue pampas. We already had the natural colors, but now we also have trend colors. They come in several colors, just like this purple one and this blue one. And these I'm going to use to set even more the height. I'm going to spin them again, the arrangement. And it's also really nice to take a step back if you don't know where to put some items. Taking a step back shows you more of the floral arrangement. And as you can see, I bent the compass so they fall a little bit more to the front. Also, a nice leaf to use is the yellow color. And because of the yellow color, it pops out of your arrangement. That's why I'm going to use it really high, so it stands out even more. I'm going to bend it a little bit more, so it looks more playful. And on the other side, I'm going to use one again. And as you can see, I put the stems really far in the floral foam. That's because I want them to stay where I put them. The other ones. And also a nice tip is this one is blue. And I already have blue leaves here. So I'm gonna find a spot where there isn't blue that much. So I'm gonna spin it again. And I'm gonna put it here. So there's also blue. Another fern leaf we're gonna use. And a pink one. And this one I already used in the back. So I'm going to put it here. Like this. So we used all the long flowers and now we're going to use all the round flowers to finish it off. I start with using this hydrangea. It's also a new item in our collection and it has a really nice pink color. And I'm going to put it in front. Also to finish off the pot we use. Now I'm going to spin it again. We have another hydrangea, only in yellow. So we're going to use it here. And the lower one. This one I already cut, but it's really easy to cut the flowers. And we have this hibiscus in a really nice soft pink. And I have a lot of them. And I'm going to use them in groups. as you can see, I put them in a group of 3, but you can also put them with 2 or 1. It's your choice. Also like to have a group of hibiscus here to fill the gap. It's also nice to put some hibiscus in the hive. So I'm going to put 2 of them here. And I have 1 left. I think I'm going to put it here. You have to use real power sometimes to get the steels of the stems in the floral foam. So to finish it off, I'm going to use some greenery. Also 2 new items of our collection, Spring Summer. This is a hanging bush, and the same one, only the bush. And a really nice thing about a hanging bush is that it hangs over your pot, and because of that, it connects the floral arrangement with your base. So I always like to use materials like this. And then this one I'm gonna put here in the back. So now you're actually almost done. So I'm gonna take a step back, look at my arrangement, and I see here I can fold some flowers up because there's a little gap. Ta-da! Your arrangement is finished. Your arrangement is finished. And what we're going to do is send you an email with a link to this video and also a list of all the items that I used. If you have any more questions, please email to emerald@eeg.nl. So for now, this is it. And the next time I'm going to show you how to make a bouquet that fits our second trend, be a color combo. I hope you liked it, and I hope to see you the next time. Thank you and bye.